Good morning. You might be wondering why am I here? Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Vishwas, student at New Horizon College of Engineering, currently doing my third semester in EC department. My friends and I have gathered here for the pre-evaluation exercise given from the life skill department. And the quote goes like this: Diamond is a merely lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. As we know that diamond is known as the hardest material. What makes diamond so strong is also what makes it so integrally beautiful. Due to intense heat and pressure, carbon crystallizes over the course of billions of years to form a diamond. Diamonds are brought through Earth's surface during extreme pressure and violent change. As it is with diamond, so it is with me and you. Without pressure, there would be no great people, and without pressure, there would be no diamonds. The resilient nature of diamond makes it stable, pure, and strong. Did it happen overnight? No, it didn't. It took constant pressure and immense strength to become one. From the process to coal to diamond, there were a lot of pressures to take up, and there were a lot of challenges to go through. Pressure separates the contenders from the champions. Pressure separates the first from the second. Pressure separates the greatest from the great. Most of them crumble under pressure, but winners thrive under pressure. Pressure brings the greatest among us into the light. Without challenges, we would never grow. So let's face the challenges and let's face the pressures which come through our life. So the upcoming video, we can see that when those tough moments come, when everything is hard, when you feel like you're stressed out, when you're under immense pressure, when you feel like you can't do it, you can't take it anymore, look into the mirror. It's you. It's only you who can bring up the change. You have more inside you and you have to look for it. If you hide from your challenges, you will never know your true potential. You must resist the pressure. You must resist the urge to grow. You must resist take the easy road. If you want to be a diamond, you should survive the pressure like a diamond. If you want to be rare, you have to do something rare. And that's not to refuse to quit. That is diamond's quality, to be rare. Pressure causes most of the people to break. The heavy weight of expectations causes cracks in the minds of the weak. But it isn't the same in the strong people. It strengthens the strong. Just like in the gym, resistance strengthens those who push through the challenge. Resistance strengthens those who feel the pain. It's perseverance. That's the difference between top and bottom. That's the difference between first and second. That's the difference between failure or achievement. That's the difference between pride or disappointment. Until you win, you have to fix this. Understand this. No pressure, no diamonds. No challenges, no greatness. No sacrifice, no victory. No struggle, no strength. Grow through your challenges and push through the pressure and earn your greatness. I would like to end my talk with this. Pressure is the sculpture of our lives, and courage is grace under pressure. Thank you and have a nice day. Over to Rishi.
Thank you, Vishwas. Good morning, everyone. I'm Rishabh, currently doing my third semester in Horizon College of Engineering. Today, I'll be speaking on a quote said by Henry Kissinger. The quote goes as follows: "A diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure." The quote means that each and everyone is as special as diamonds. We are shaped and molded by people we are and the way we change due to the teachings of life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond, we also require pressure for a transformation, and not follow the stereotypical logic and the ways of people who follow and mold their lives like every other person. This is just a metaphor that has been used to demonstrate the fact that a chunk of coal cannot have the potential to attract everyone. Besides, it is not considered to be as precious as that of a diamond. A diamond is created only when it has exerted such pressure. In the same way, we can relate this to our own lives. You might not become successful in a day, but when you get yourself under tremendous pressure for a while, you are sure to shine brighter. It feels great to be a diamond, but only the one who has become knows how hard the it can be. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Over to Stephen.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Stephen Paul. I'm currently doing my third semester in Horizon College of Engineering. I'm from ECE department. The topic on which I'm going to be speaking on today is a quote from Henry Kissinger. The quote goes like this: "A diamond is just a lump of coal that did well under pressure." We all can relate to this statement. As human beings, we all face a number of hardships or difficulties in our lives. The pressure experienced by the diamond can be related to the hardships and struggles we faced in our own lives. Especially now, during the times of the pandemic, many people from across the globe are facing various types of pressure, mental and financial just being the gist of it. Most people are struggling just to make both ends meet. In our country, the daily wage laborers are the worst affected. Without work or pay, they are under tremendous amount of pressure to provide for their families. The general opinion on pressure is quite negative. While pressure can be harmful at times, it may also be positive at some times. Work-related stress and pressure can be harmful to our health, especially if we do not leave work-related stress, pressure and tension at the doorstep while entering our homes. We as students also face a lot of pressure, but we must learn to enjoy life while still coping up with deadlines, assignments, projects and exams. Some students are under constant pressure from their parents to always get good marks. Well, this type of pressure is good up to a certain point, but after which it might cause the student to get depressed, and in some cases they become self-destructive. This is because they are not able to cope up with others' expectations. Well, pressure is such a thing that it can either bring the best in you or it can break you. People who have learned to handle pressure well have succeeded in their lives. They have also succeeded in their respective fields. Well, considering in the present case scenario, doctors and scientists from across the globe were under tremendous pressure to invent a vaccine for the coronavirus. Now, we almost have not one, but multiple vaccines from different countries. Now consider a game of cricket. If one batsman gets out or gets run out due to the other batsman, in this case, some batsmen feel guilty and lose their wicket carelessly, while others take it upon themselves to play good innings. Similarly, in our lives, if some mistake that we have done has impacted someone in a negative way, we have two choices. Either we can keep drowning in the past and feel bad, or we can apologize to that person and continue to do our work and give our best. Just like in the match, the batsman who's not out can still change the innings. He can change the whole match. Similarly, in our lives, dwelling in past will not help. We must put our minds in the present and try to work hard and bring about a difference in this world. Thank you.
Thank you, Stephen. This is Subramaniam. I am from New Horizon College of Engineering of Semester 3 of Department Electronics and Communication Engineering. We are here on behalf of a project called Fair Evaluation of a Topic. Diamond is merely lump of coal that did extremely under well tremendous pressure. This quote says that everyone is special as a diamond. Pressure separates the greatest from the great. Most people crumble under pressure. Without pressure, there would be no diamonds, and without pressure, there would be no greed. So pressure brings the great among us into light. Without challenges, we would never grow up. If we are hiding from the challenges, we will never know our potential. So we have to face the pressure or stay through the pressure. Once we go through all of this, we have earned the right to shine. There is only two ways to escape your challenges. The first one is to change the circumstances created by the challenge, and the second one is to change the person dealing with the challenge. This is wrong. We should change our mindset. we can face any challenge. When time gets tough, do we quit or do we keep on going? In this case, I'll tell that we should keep on going, we should persevere. Anyone can overcome easy situations, but a diamond is born only when we overcome all the obstacles that was laid before us and we did not give up no matter how much pressure they were in. I'm concluding that never give up because under the pressure no one can overcome out of it, and you will forever be just that lump of a coal who not transform into a diamond. Thank you.
Thank you, Subramaniam. Good morning to one and all. My name is More Nikhil. I am currently studying 3rd semester from ECE department in New Horizon College of Engineering. The above quote goes like this: a diamond is a merely lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. This quote was written by the author Henry Kissinger. A diamond is the most expensive of all the gems and it is abundant in nature. As we all know that diamond found over a billion years ago in deep earth crust, and it is under conditions of intense heat and pressure. In the same way, to achieve success in our life means we need to bear patience and fight the obstacles that appear in our life. First of all, positive thinking is the key of success, and it gains the self-confidence and rejoin the path of success. It is just the way the pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal to diamond, and each and every human is precious and unique. At last, I conclude that the overall meaning of the quote is just like a diamond. We also require pressure for the diamond and to shine like a diamond in our life to become success. Thanking you. Over to Vinay.
Thank you, More Nikhil. Hello everyone, I'm Vinay. I'm from ECE department. My topic quote goes like this: a diamond is merely a lump of a coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. Know that diamond is not made in a day. Diamond is the polished version of something, and things get polished and become more qualitative only under pressure. A coal, when kept under tremendous pressure, turns into a diamond. Both are nothing but a carbon. Well, this is just a metaphor that has been used to demonstrate the fact. In the same way, we can relate this to our own life. You might not become successful in a day, but when you get yourself under tremendous pressure for a while, you're sure you will shine brighter. It is essential to understand the fact that you must not escape pressure by any chance. That is going to build you in the long run of your life. A person needs to go through pressure in order to understand how it feels like. You need time to grow, but allow yourself to bloom. Know that life isn't easy, and you will have to bear a lot of hurdles, but the person who is able to overcome all of it shines at the end of the day. Hence, you should always keep a psychology to allow pressure to come along with the journey. Only then you will see yourself succeeding through all of it. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, my dear friend Vinay. Myself, Chalkar Sai Gopichan. I am currently pursuing my 3rd semester in New Horizon College of Engineering from ECE department. Today's topic is a quote. It is quoted by Henry Kissinger. Henry Kissinger is an American politician, diplomat, and geopolitical consultant who served as United States Security and National Security Advisor under presidential administration of Richard Nixon and Gerald Ford. The quote goes like this: a diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. A diamond is nothing but chunk of coal. We know that diamond is not made in a day. A diamond is just polished version of something, and the thing get polished and qualitative only under tremendous pressure. When a coal is kept under tremendous pressure, it turns into diamond, and both are nothing but carbon. This quote means each and every one is as special as diamonds. We are shaped and molded by the people we are and the way we change our life due to teachings of our life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into diamond, we also require pressure for our transformation. Each and every person is unique and precious. From transformation of coal to diamond, we need to go through intense pressure and we have to bear with patience. The result will always be fruitful. Thank you. Now over to Vishwas for vote of thanks.
This was a small presentation by the group. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for the Life Skill Department for this wonderful opportunity to share the views. On behalf of my team, we would like to thank our professor, Ms. Sunita ma'am, for this opportunity. I hope you all got the message and got inspired. Thank you and have a great day.